Newton's laws in motion. Zadie Buckley. Newton's first law. An object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an unbalanced force. Example. Imagine if a car is driving at a steady pace, when suddenly another car collides with the first car. This stops the car's motion. The second car is the unbalanced force acting on the first car. Illustrated example of Newton's first law. Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. An object's acceleration is directly proportional to its net force and oppositely proportional to its mass. Example. Imagine if a car is driving at a steady pace. The car's acceleration would be the same as the net force, so the pace is steady. If the same force is applied to a heavier car, the acceleration would be less. Illustrated example of Newton's second law. Newton's third law. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force. If an object exerts a force onto another object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. Example. Imagine if a baseball bat hits a baseball with a strong force. The same strong force is applied to the baseball bat from the baseball. These are equal and opposite forces. Illustrated example of Newton's third law. Putting it together. All three laws explain how an object moves. For example, the equation force equals mass times acceleration, Newton's second law, creates the steady pace in which Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an unbalanced force, referencing the third law where every action has its equal opposite reaction.